1936 Ford 5-window coupe. Traditional style Resto-Rod. Walk around and tell you about it like we usually do. This beauty is all steel, finished in a nice jet black. A lot of traditional style upgrades on it, hot rod or Resto-Rod style upgrades. I know the sun's going to be a challenge at the opener there, but we wanted to, as we come around, it won't become a problem. Beautiful body lines on it. All steel. Steelies in the back, 235/75 R15s in the rear. We'll get the tire sizes up on the lift, but I'm doing it from memory right now. See the reflections on the road here. 5-window coupes are nice. They have a lot of extra room in them. Fit of the doors, all the components are nice. Hood spears up on the side here. We did a 35 cabriolet for this collection just the other day up here. During that video I was explaining the difference between the front end of a 35 and a 36. We'll get up and spend a little bit of time with that. I was mentioning that the 35 had the horns up front, and the 36 here has more of a waterfall design on the fenders, and the horns are generally hidden behind these grills right here. Let's get to what's underneath the hood. Nice little driving 350 Chevy V8, 4-barrel, turbo 350 automatic transmission. GM 8-bolt rear differential in it. Up front here it has Mustang 2 style suspension with rack and pinion steering. Drives super easy. I enjoyed the drive out on the country road here. I'll have plenty of video of that for you. Catch your reflections on the body as we cruise around here. Factory style headlamps, lenses. The markers now are front or hidden behind the horn grills. Nice hinge pillar mount mirrors, both sides. Chrome windshield. There's a wiper on it. And the kind of car you can drive. Beautiful solid body underneath. We've already had it up on the lift for you. See the running boards. These are OEM reproduction vulcanized, not just glued rubber on it. Nicely finished off gray metallic or gunmetal style dash finish. There's a radio in the glove box here. Traditional style door handles or factory style door handles. Seat belts. It has leather upholstery, seat upholstery in it. You can see the leather here. Low car style shifter. We'll get up on the driver's side. Low car style pedals. The bottom side of the dash is finished off here. The cowl vent works. Again, we'll give you a peek at the seat here. We'll actually have a video segment. This seat lifts up and there's a nice compartment behind the seat. You'll see it has speakers here. Of course, the audio is in the glove box. Headliner. Door shut really nice on it. Roof's been filled on it. Lightly modified, nothing excessive body wise. Step back here and let's take a good look. We'll get you in the trunk here. Same level of detail as the inside of the car. Matching scallops, pleated, vertical pleats. Has nice little lights here in the trunk. There's a trunk switch here. I'll turn them on the right side there. Factory tail lamp stanchions on it, appears. Factory length. Fuel fill on a 36 is right here. See the reflections in a beautiful body, beautiful 5-window coupe. Get you in the driver's side here. Same thing, same long lines along the other side. These are brushed billet, V8 shaped door trim here, vertical pleats, finished off, garnish moldings. Factory seat lifts up. We'll have a short little video of that here for you. We mentioned that when we were over on the driver's side or passenger side. Get you underneath the dash. The finish on the dash is very nice. Has a chrome tilt column, Banjo style steering wheel, stainless, wrapped leather that matches the interior. Starts right up, runs good. Had a fun drive with this one. We'll take you for some drive. Waterfall style center section here. VDO gauges. Speedo works great. Rack and pinion steering is easy to steer. The VIN tag is located here. Nicely dressed 350 Chevy V8, turbo 350 automatic transmission, has a GM 8-bolt differential in the rear. Master cylinder reservoir is mounted up high here. It's down in the frame. They've given you a place to fill it. Has a Petronix flamethrower ignition, distributor, and coil. Edelbrock intake manifold. Edelbrock AFB carburetor. Power Master alternator, high output, chrome. Cooling components, electric cooling fan. This is a cooling reservoir. Ball milled billet valve covers. Nice little exhaust covers here. Has ram horn style cast iron exhaust manifolds. Simple, easy to work on. Down like it's supposed to. Okay, we're going to share behind the seat with you here. Lots of room. Windshield cranks out, tilts, and cowl vent opens. Cover the undercarriage for you. Very traditional style build. It has parallel leaf springs in the rear. These are chassis engineering style brackets. Nice ride. Looks like those are SoCal style chrome shocks in the rear, gas shocks. Has a GM 8-bolt rear differential in the back here. It appears to be. I'll study that a little bit more. See the brackets here, they bring the frame together, they support it in the center. So it's a factory frame on this one. Exhaust is tucked up nice, goes up over the axle, through the frame here. Would have done that with a factory, but it would have been a single. Wrapped with some heat tape here to keep the heat off the body. You'll see the bottom side of the running boards. These are new reproduction vulcanized running boards, so they're not just glued on rubber. Brake bias setting here. Has power disc brakes, dual reservoir, disc brakes up front. They've strengthened and structured the center section here. Has a dropout cross member here. Turbo 350 automatic transmission. Mustang 2 style front suspension, you'll see here. Again, traditional style build, a little bit earlier build on the suspension of the chassis. No light's a little bit dark right there. Strut arms mounted rear here, much like a Mustang 2 factory stock style car. Nice smooth ride out of these. Gas shocks, uses factory style springs. They put a stabilizer bar up front. And again, a disc brake upgrade. Take one more pass through, give you a feel. Nice solid body, by the way. All steel fenders. Left fender, right fender front. See, the floor pans appear to be original floor pans. Nice chambered mufflers in the back here. We'll do a little cruise around the outside. Steel. Hankook tires on the back here. They're a 235/70 R15. Again, very traditional in the rear. They fit the wheel well nice, pretty common. Body's beautiful. Up front here we have a 185/65 R15 up front. Again, kind of peek at the body. Chin's pretty good shape there. There you go. Thanks for listening to me.